Opus Clip versus VEED. Which AI video editor should you use? Choosing the right AI video editor can completely change how you create engaging videos without spending hours on editing. Opus Clip and VEED both offer unique AI-powered tools for video creation. Opus Clip and VEED are AI video editors designed to simplify video production. The core difference lies in Opus Clip's focus on automatic clipping and highlight creation, while VEED offers a broader suite of editing tools with AI enhancements for various video needs. Opus Clip is an AI-powered video editor designed to automatically generate short, engaging clips from longer videos. It works by analyzing the original footage to identify key moments, then creates highlight reels optimized for social media platforms. Its strengths include fast processing, ease of use, and the ability to produce attention-grabbing clips without manual trimming. Opus Clip excels for content creators who want to repurpose long-form videos quickly, especially for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. However, its focus on clipping means it offers limited traditional editing features, such as detailed timeline adjustments or advanced effects. This makes it less suitable for users who want full control over every aspect of their video editing. Ideal users are social media managers, streamers, and marketers who prioritize speed and simplicity in creating highlight content. VEED is a comprehensive online video editor with AI-powered tools that enhance editing efficiency and creativity. It supports everything from simple cuts and trims to subtitles, filters, and audio editing, all accessible through a user-friendly interface. VEED's AI features include automatic transcription, background noise removal, and smart cropping, which help streamline the editing process. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to professionals looking for an all-in-one solution. While VEED is more feature-rich than Opus Clip, it may require more time to learn and use effectively, especially for users focused solely on quick highlight generation. VEED is ideal for creators who want to produce polished videos with detailed edits, including marketing videos, tutorials, and presentations, benefiting from its extensive toolkit and collaborative features. Opus Clip and VEED serve different video editing needs. Opus Clip shines when you need fast, automated highlight clips from longer videos, perfect for social media snippets with minimal effort. VEED, on the other hand, offers a full editing suite that supports more detailed customization, making it better for projects that require subtitles, audio editing, or visual effects. If you want speed and simplicity, Opus Clip's AI clipping is unmatched. But for versatility and professional-grade editing tools, VEED provides a more comprehensive platform. The trade-off is between quick automated results and deeper creative control. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is rapid content repurposing or full video production capabilities. Choose Opus Clip if you need fast, automated highlight reels from long videos, especially for social media content that demands quick turnaround and minimal editing effort. Opt for VEED if you require a versatile video editor with AI tools that support detailed customization and professional quality output. It's ideal for creators who want more control over their videos beyond quick clips. Both tools excel when matched with the right editing needs.